what we're going to do with the lecture is there's some main events that we want to do. So preferably the people we have in the lecture, we prefer them to be introduction people. So that's inviting our existing patient members, family, and friends, because that's the trust level. So if we don't have that, and we can do that plus cold calls, so let's say if we do cold calls, we at least want to filter the cold calls, meaning I'm going to have them fill out some basic information. And again, I'm not here right here to go into how to get people to a lecture. That's not what this is. But we basically, when we invite them to the lecture, we just have them fill out 3 basic questions, no more than 4, something like that. And really what we want to do is filter it a little bit, because we don't want people sitting in our audience that don't have any back pain, neck pain, or arthritis, or anything that is what we would call chiropractic related. Because my chance of getting that person for business is very slim. So I'd rather have people even if it's a cold call, I still would preferably to have people invited to it who have some kind of back pain, neck pain, arthritis, or even in the past, even if it's not now, even if they had it in the past. So I've had them fill out a little sheet. Otherwise, they're not invited to this lecture, okay? Now, I can still give this lecture to a cold call group of people and still get business from it. Why? Because we know everybody in here fits into the S-curve somewhere. 8% in that group you give it to is going to pick a chiropractor in the next year. 25% of the 92 do not have a problem at all. Of the remaining 68%, they have some type of problem, back pain, neck pain, arthritis to some degree. And so now what I need to do is follow the formula.